What are some easy canned cranberry sauce recipes?
Hello there, food enthusiasts. In today's episode, we're going to explore some easy and delectable ways to enhance canned cranberry sauce. By adding just a few ingredients, you can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary.
Why upgrade canned cranberry sauce?
Though canned cranberry sauce is a staple for many during the holiday season, it can sometimes lack that personal touch. By incorporating some additional ingredients, you can add your own twist to this classic dish, making it even more delicious and memorable for your loved ones.
What do we need?
For these recipes, you'll need the following ingredients: a can of cranberry sauce, fresh fruits like oranges, apples or pears, spices like cinnamon, nutmeg or cloves, nuts like pecans or walnuts, sweeteners like honey or brown sugar. Remember, these are just suggestions. Feel free to get creative and use what you have at hand.
How do we upgrade our cranberry sauce?
Spiced cranberry sauce 1. In a saucepan, warm your canned cranberry sauce on low heat. 2. Add a dash of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a hint of clove. 3. Stir until everything is well combined and heated through. Fruity cranberry sauce 1. Start by heating your canned cranberry sauce in a saucepan. 2. Add a cup of diced fresh fruits like oranges, apples, or pears. 3. Stir until the fruit has softened and the flavors have melded together. Nutty cranberry sauce 1. Warm your canned cranberry sauce in a saucepan. 2. Stir in a half cup of toasted, chopped nuts, such as pecans or walnuts. 3. Continue stirring until the sauce is heated through and the nuts are well distributed. Sweet and tangy cranberry sauce 1. Heat your canned cranberry sauce in a saucepan. 2. Mix in a tablespoon or 2 of honey or brown sugar, and the juice and zest of 1 orange. 3. Stir until the sweetener is dissolved and the sauce is thoroughly heated. And there you have it. 4 simple ways to transform your canned cranberry sauce into a gourmet delight. Remember, cooking is an art, so feel free to tweak these recipes according to your taste. Enjoy experimenting, and we hope these tips bring a new level of flavor to your holiday table. Happy cooking!